Is there a possibility of a Bitcoin pullback? Where is the support level? If you're interested in knowing more about these, please keep watching. Let's start by taking a look at the positions I have opened on Bybit. This time, let's use the mobile app for a more real-time experience. Now, you can see that my entry price is around $28,500. I have opened a long position for Bitcoin worth $750,000. Currently, the funding rate is a bit high. However, I believe that as long as we smoothly ride this wave and follow the trend, the funding rate won't matter much in comparison to the potential gains. Currently, I've already gained a profit of over $51,000. If you also find this profit impressive, you are welcome to click the Bybit link below my video. Simply find any of my videos, scroll down to the pinned comment, click the Bybit link, register, perform KYC, and deposit $100. Then, you will immediately receive a Bitcoin contract position worth $1,000. This is a real position, and if you make a profit, you can withdraw it without any issues. You don't even have any risks. As long as you trade using the free credits, you can start your first trade without risking your initial investment. Also, feel free to use my quantitative trading website and join the line group. Now, let's take a look at Bitcoin's market situation. In fact, we are currently facing the exact same resistance level as before. Let's see. At that time, this kind of upward movement already showed signs of exhaustion. How so? You can notice that in the previous situation, the upward movement was very smooth, and it broke the previous high with a significant surge. However, if we look at the current upward movement, not the current, but the previous one, after breaking the previous high, the upward momentum was limited and quickly started to fade. Although it encountered resistance and paused for a while, it immediately dropped back, and the volume was not insignificant. Let's observe two things. First, when the price hit this level, did it result in a significant pullback in terms of price? Secondly, when it retraced, was there an accompanying volume? Did it have a significant increase in volume? If either of these two conditions is met, we may need to be concerned. Even if there isn't a significant pullback, as long as there is volume, we must be concerned. However, let's take a look at the current situation. After touching the resistance, the price is still moving around the same level, without a major price retreat. The second point to note is that you can observe the current trading volume gradually shrinking. The bearish volume shows a gradual decrease. We don't see a substantial increase in volume during a price decline. Therefore, based on the above analysis, considering the current situation, I don't see an immediate danger or a high-risk possibility for this pullback, at least from a technical perspective. Let's take a look at the potential retracement level I'm concerned about. As long as the pullback doesn't drop below $29,500, I would consider it a normal retracement within the same range. Let's find out why. The reason is that at the previous resistance level, we encountered a decrease in volume, and after breaking through, the first support test was around $29,500. I believe this level should not be hit again. If it is hit or the price closes below $29,500, it would indeed indicate a higher risk of further decline. Furthermore, regarding the bottom line or the support level, even if the price breaks below $29,500, it doesn't necessarily mean that the current uptrend is false or terminated. However, if it reaches a certain point, I would consider it risky. After all, as we mentioned earlier, if this current uptrend intends to follow a three-wave pattern, which typically follows a three-wave pattern of rise, retracement, and rise again, I believe the retracement should not exceed $28,500. You can see that the $28,500 level is where the candlestick opened, forming a strong bullish candlestick with high trading volume. I believe that this level should not be breached. For the bulls, it would be very concerning if such a strong bullish candlestick with high volume is engulfed. In my opinion, it shouldn't happen in the current upward trend, especially considering the significant level of $28,500. I believe which has been a clear point of S/a reversal in the past. So I believe that as long as the price doesn't break below 28,500, there is no possibility of a reversal in this upward movement. So, without a possibility of reversal, we can continue to follow the bullish trend. If you want to trade contracts, it would be best to find a good entry point. Based on your trading system, my entry point is around this level, close to the support line. Now, let's zoom out the chart a bit. It seems that we might need a longer period of consolidation. After all, it is not possible to have an uninterrupted upward trend without any pullbacks. The key is to analyze the form and strength of these pullbacks. In the current situation, it's a dominant one. Why? The pullback is only to the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, which is relatively shallow. And it is a precise touch on this line, indicating a strong rebound. If it were a weaker pullback, it could have retraced to the 0.5 to 0.618 levels. However, we haven't observed such a scenario at the moment. Alright. Thank you. You're welcome to like and share my videos. And subscribe to my channel. Turn on the little bell button to show me your greatest support. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.